Ashesh and Vikas, thank you so much for joining us. Ashesh, this first question is for you. Why is making AI easier and more accessible important?
Thanks for having me here. So I fundamentally believe that AI is a once-in-a-generation technology that will improve the productivity that humans can have. We'll see the impact of AI in a variety of use cases and a variety of industries, right? Whether it's agents in a contact center, whether it's students, and we're already seeing them, use it quite prolifically, whether it's, retailers making better recommendations, whether it's financial services providing better services to customers, or in fact, governments providing better access to the citizens. So I think the impact of AI is profound. It'll be widespread. And so it's really important for all of us to figure out ways to embrace it to increase our productivity and up our innovation.
So Vikas, how can companies best leverage open source AI to capture value?
Lisa, I think the important word is choice. And Ashesh was just mentioning retailers making recommendations. I had a discussion with the head of AI for a retailer, and he was describing to me, this is a company that uses a lot of different AI technology. And he said for the simplest of things where, if a customer is buying eggs and they need to get a recommendation that they should buy milk, they don't need a trillion parameter model for that. An open source model, a smaller model is more than sufficient. And so it's really about choice. It's about different situations and different technologies that'll be appropriate for those situations. And open source, we think, is actually a very important part of that.
So for both of you, beyond technology, what can enterprises do to create value?
At BCG, we believe that getting value from AI at scale is an organization-wide commitment. It's not the responsibility of a specific individual or a specific function. And what it really requires is the right level of executive sponsorship, the right governance in place, the right approach to data, because we're talking, about exabytes of data that people are looking to analyze. And it's about change management. It's making sure that the right policies, procedures, enablement, upskilling is in place so that the organization can actually get the value from the amazing technology that we have now available to us.
I couldn't agree more with Vikas, right? I think choice will be critical. I think open source will be really important, which isn't strange for me to say. But I think it's also important to really think about model sizes and using the right size model for the right use case. So we think that's going to be important. But coupled with that will be efficiency, right? How cost effective are you at delivering? What's the appropriate ratio with regard to price and the value being delivered against it? So I think all those factors will play a really important role. But I'll add maybe one more thing to the point, because you were making about organizations. We think it's really, really important to enable and skill the users of corporations and anyone who's interacting with AI. So just like we did with cloud and made everyone comfortable with regard to applications and services around the data center and the ones they take advantage of in the cloud, we'll go through a similar journey with AI. So it's really, really exciting to see, and we're looking forward to being a part of it.
Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.